Is there a recommended format for multiline imports? I have read there are 3 ways for coding multiline imports in Python. With slashes, duplicating sentences, with parentheses. Is there a recommended format or a more elegant way for this statements?
Your examples seem to stem from PEP 328. There, the parenthesis notation is proposed for exactly this problem, so probably I'd choose this one. Personally, I go with parentheses when importing more than one component and sort them alphabetically, like so. This has the added advantage of easily seeing what components have been added/removed in each commit or PR. Overall, though, it's a personal preference, and I would advise you to go with whatever looks best to you.
I would go with the parenthesis notation from the PEP 328 with new lines added before and after parentheses. This is the format which Django uses.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.